Hello my lovelies, today I'm going to be showing you how to make cottage pie with a little setback twist. But first, let's subscribe so that we never miss none of those videos. So first we're going to boil up some potatoes. The original recipe calls for it, but I ran out, so I had to use some yam. So after 15 to 20 minutes, our potatoes and yam are now ready. What we're going to add is 2/3 of a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of butter. Mash everything up and set it aside. Now for phase 2, we're going to chop up some celery, some carrots, and some onions. We're going to toss those veggies into our frying pan. We're going to add some garlic, and we're also going to add our pound of ground beef and some flour. We're going to make sure that we mix everything up and that our beef starts to brown up. We're then going to go in and add in some tomato paste, some beef broth, some rosemary, some basil, and some Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, we're going to be adding in some salt, some pepper, and we're going to mix everything up. If you wanted to add some wine to this, that would be amazing as well. We're going to simmer the meat for roughly 30 minutes. We want to make sure that all those extra juices evaporate, because if we have wet or mushy meat, it's not going to hold the pie together. And now the final stage, building our pie. We want to make sure that the meat has completely cooled off before adding the mashed potatoes so that it doesn't sink into the meat. We want to have 2 separate layers. I've preheated this oven to 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, and ready to pop it in for 25 to 30 minutes. And voila! After 30 minutes, we have this delicious Yammish cottage pie. We want to make sure that we allow it to cool off for a little bit so that it firms up and it won't break apart on you when you serve it. So here I am again with my trusty volunteer.
Hello.
Hi, James.
Hi.
So I just want to let you know that I have a mystery vegetable in here. I ran out of potatoes, so I had to add ñame.
Ñame, I like ñame.
I know you like ñame a lot. So I want you to taste the cottage pie and let me know what you think.
Okay, I'm gonna try it and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. So, I have... Oh my god, this is like mashed potato, but it's delicious. The ground beef, the sauce, it's good. I love it. What type of sauce is that?
So I added some rosemary in there.
Yeah, but the beef, oh my god.
So I passed the taste test.
From 0 to 10, I give you 10.
Wow, okay.
And the salad, let me try the salad to see.
That's your favorite salad, so. Good? All right then. Well, thank you everybody for watching. We'll be back with more videos, and guess what? This mishap actually became something delicious. So see you next time. Thank you. Please subscribe and see you later. Bye.